Really? You don't say. I know, right? Welcome back, guys, to Wildlife Plus Outdoor Adventures. I'm here with another episode. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button real quick for me, though, before we get started. Appreciate you. Thanks. We are here right now I'm actually here at another pet store in Grosse Pointe, Michigan, Lou's Pet Shop. And at this pet store, you can actually hold the animals, and they have free ranging or animals that's freely walking around, excuse me. I'm excited, as you can see. So we're about to go in here and check this out, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's see what they have to offer, all right? How you doing? All right, here we are, guys, inside. Now look at these big boys here. It says caution. Look how big this fish is. Oh, look at this. Look. Say cheese for the camera. Look how large this catfish is. For your safety, do not touch. I'm sorry, excuse me. Wow. Look at that.
Giorgio, come on. Come see Mel. Come on. He's a...
Oh, wow.
Oh, he likes us. Come on, Giorgio.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Pretty good. Look at this. Oh, look at that. You know I'm a sucker for snakes. Let's see what else they got. So we're gonna go try to hold a few animals. Just wanted to see what they have in here. Oh, look at this monitor. Look at him. Excuse me. Sorry. Are we allowed to hold any animal, or?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
So we just reach in? I don't know.
Oh, no.
Okay.
With the reptiles, usually you can ask somebody, like, I can take like a ball python for you right now.
Okay. Yeah. Appreciate you. Thank you. Oh, look at that.
This is really nice. This is banana bamboo.
Banana bamboo.
Yeah, look at that patterns.
Look at, she's beautiful. Warm too.
Yeah.
Oh. Wow. And how big is she gonna get?
Just about these guys.
About that size? Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. That's a good size.
Varies from like female to male. The females are bigger.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Oh wow. Look at. Look. Thank you. I just put it back in, or?
Yeah. Yeah, ball pythons are friendliest, so.
What about the bearded dragon? Are they too fast? No. Okay, go ahead. Thank you. Look at this guy right here just walking around freely. Get a picture of him.
You can hold them. With these guys, usually putting a finger on top of them can calm them down.
Put a finger on top of them, okay?
Yeah.
So gently put a finger, just like that. Oh.
Yep, and then if you want, sometimes just placing them somewhere like stable, like onto you.
Onto me?
Give them something to grab onto. Kind of calm them down.
Make sure you don't go in my jacket. Okay.
I know, right?
Oh wow, thank you.
Yeah. But like as juvenile, a little crazy. As they get older, they calm down. But
so how old is this one? Just a few months or?
Yeah, I would say just about a few months, almost a year, almost.
Okay.
Yeah. Those guys get a lot bigger. Like kind of as big as like a snake.
I'll put him back.
He's ready.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay.
We want some crickets right now.
You say you have a skinks too?
We do have some skinks.
Is that one? This is the last my actual hold. Is that one able to be hold, or he's a little feisty?
He's a little not feisty, more just like skittish.
Oh, okay.
I can for sure try because sometimes it just be with the person because some coworkers hold them and they have a perfectly fine time, and then sometimes he's a little funky.
Okay. Yeah.
Are any of the snakes little and nice enough to hold or no?
Oh, yeah. It's one of them.
Is that what you're getting out?
No. That's one of my hold was really nice.
Do you have a snake?
No.
You're like,
Two dogs, and that's it.
Lily, do you want to see this snake? She loves snakes. She's from Australia, and her pet that she wants is an anaconda.
Oh wow.
So Lily, do you want to hold this little snake? He's nice.
Yeah, he's really nice.
Ooh, a bearded dragon. Oh my gosh, look how small it is.
Is that what you're gonna feed your anaconda? She's thinking about it.
Poor Desiree. She's talking to the bird who likes church. I love birds.
And this one really
Thank
has
you so much.
Thank
That's
you.
so cool.
not a snake.
I think it's just more so
Oh, yeah.
limp away.
Yeah. Look at the top up there.
They're fun
Look
today.
at the talking to the bird.
Here, I'm actually going to grab a worm for him.
Okay.
Get a treat.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, you're like, I don't know. Oh, there you go.
That's even better. Well, thank you. So this guy, we having a full-blown conversation together. You don't say. How's it been here? Really? You don't say. I know, right? Are you gonna come? Oh, look at the. Ow! He bit me. Never mind. All right, guys, we found the rabbit. Oh, he's running off. Don't run off. Don't run off. I got more rabbits here. Let's see what else they have.
You ready to go?
See what else they got. So, as you can see, you can get hands on trying to see. Oh, some rats. Haven't seen one this big before.
Hello, how are you? What's up?
Justice for you?
Yeah.
This is a large jumping spider.
Were you part of the loyalty for the dog food? What's the last name?
But get a video of that real quick. Is this yours? Mm-hmm. How long have you had it?
For 5 years.
Oh wow, is it 5 or? Oh wow, beautiful.
Thank you. She's an albino
Yeah.
ball python.
Is she gonna get bigger? That's as big as she gonna get.
Maybe a little bit, but for the most part, this is the longest that she'll get.
Oh, nice.
She's kind of curled up, but
Oh, that's all good. Beautiful. Thank you.
no problem.
See the other bunnies here. It says cautious, so I'll make sure not to get my hands in there.
Oh, they're just a paper. Look at his whiskers, Will.
All right, so look at this habitat here. The green tree python. It's a green. Oh, here it is. Oh my God, you can. It's foggy in here. You can barely see it. Oh, let me get this together. Can you guys see this? No. Green tree python. Let me adjust something real quick. Look at this. Look how beautiful that green is. Green tree python. Nice habitat too, it's in. You got little fish. Let's see what else they have. I actually had tiger salamander that actually grew into a tiger salamander. These are not tiger salamanders, but when I had it as a baby, it was about this size, and then it got bigger, almost a foot long. But didn't when it came an adult, it didn't live long, unfortunately. So, see these in the wild. Definitely see these in the wild. Matter of fact, in the spring, they're gonna be out nesting. You literally just pick one up. So this is pretty cool, man. This is really. Oh, look at that stuff to feed smaller reptiles and insects. Yeah, this is pretty cool. What's in here? I think I got this one on video, an albino. It's pretty big. So yeah, man, this is come check it out. Lou's Pet Shop in Grosse Pointe, Michigan, off of Mac. If you have a chance, I am going to, before we end this, look around just a little bit more, make sure I got everything on camera. All the tarantulas. Oh, look at the hissing cockroach. You guys can see that. Hissing cockroach. And yes, people do have them as pets. Tarantula. Oh, here you go, more birds here. These birds are a little more friendlier than the other spot I went to. Yep, you on camera. You are on camera. Let's see what else they got. Oh, look at these guys. I know birds can be a lot of fun because they're very active and talkative. I like to play, but they poop everywhere. Oh, look at this color. So, oh, there go the rabbit again. He just running off. It likes you.
And alright, he just followed me. I looked at him, but I don't want to like mix up the smell.
Oh yeah. Guys, that is it of the tour we have here. Come check them out. Like I said, when you get a chance to, very dope. experience. If you love even animals like I am, come check them out. You're able to hold a lot of animals, see how they feel. Ball pythons, lizards, fish, snakes, birds. And to my new friend here who bit my finger, we both want to say, hit that subscribe button, like and share, right? Until next time, guys, we see y'all later, right? Peace. All right, man. You singing? Yep, goodbye.